Hello friends, I'm Kieran. Welcome to Onaccount Consultants. Today we're going to talk about why commerce is gaining popularity. Before discussing this, let me ask you a few questions that will make you know why commerce is gaining popularity. So tell me, why do we go to school? What is the purpose of higher education? Well, your answer may differ from person to person. But at the end we all know, whatever we learn, we want to make living out of it. And more you learn, more you will earn. See everything directly or indirectly related to money. Money has always been the core component that defines the movement of the time and shapes the surrounding. Yet, how to make money had never taught us in school. It is what one chooses after school. Out of three streams: science, commerce, and arts. Commerce is a stream that is designed to develop business knowledge, like sale and purchase of goods and services, from the producer to a buyer, as well to gain financial literacy and analytical skills. Commerce as a stream helps in gaining in-depth knowledge of business, accounts, finance, and economics. And it not only helps in fetching a good salary but also of the growth of society and nation as a whole. India has noted a marked rise in interest among students towards commerce, it no longer second choice but first. Several top students are now opting for commerce stream, aspiring to be a chartered accountant, financial analyst, portfolio manager, investment bankers, etc. You might be thinking why commerce is gaining popularity. The reason is simple. In today's times, commerce is generating more and better employment opportunities to millions of people in a country, especially in the field of banking, insurance, finance, advertising, etc. due to tremendous growth in this sector after the development of e-commerce in India. E-commerce had linked producer to consumer and vice versa, also encouraged many people to start business as the financial cost is low. There has been increase in digital marketing and drop shipping business and jobs due to e-commerce. And for all that, one should at least have basic knowledge of commerce, which had made people to choose commerce as their career. In digital age, one can learn anything irrespective of field one belong. So here's an opportunity to learn all the core subjects of commerce. Starting from basic subjects like bookkeeping and accountancy, and organization of commerce and management. Kindly subscribe my channel to watch my upcoming tutorial videos on it. Thank you.